You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really do appreciate it. I'm moving along with a bunch of items for Christmas this year. This is the M&M's cookie dough. Now, if you'd like to check out some of those videos, you could do me a huge favor, a massive favor, and go to the comments section. I always put a link there to the playlist that relates to the video, the item I'm showing in the video, and then also in the description, there's a link there that I'm putting in for all of the past Christmas items. Here we go. It is cookie dough, ready to eat, it says. M&M's Minis, chocolate candies mixed into delicious cookie dough, and it's a resealable bag, and it's a milk chocolate, 8.5 ounces. It looks pretty good. There's the list of ingredients. Now that looks like there's a lot. Contains milk, soy, wheat, and then that's about it. We usually don't dwell on all that other stuff because I want to get to the actual cookie dough bites. Now it's in one of those resealable bags with the bottom that is expandable to fit all of the... I forgot the word for that. I know there's a word for that. Okay, so I'm just going to do what I normally don't do and destroy the bag, only because that's the way they have it. Ooh, okay. Look at that. So they kind of look like those, what are those dog treats? Sausages? The little round dog treats? I don't know, I'm going to need more than one bowl here. I'm going to put them out like that, and then I will fill 3 bowls. Yes, I'm not going to forget. I've got all my holiday stuff from a bin day ready to go to show you in different food-related videos. Okay, I think I can squeeze it in here. Let's see, I might have to top these off a little bit. So here's everything. This would be a nice little treat for a party. And these little trays would be neat. Okay, so there we go. It smells very good, I will tell you that. Now, my guess is that, yeah, they have a long tube of this, and the machine just like and cuts it and shoots them out into the bags eventually. Yep, they're not all the same size either. So whatever machine they're using, if it's a machine, it almost seems like it's randomly cutting. And there's little bits of M&Ms. I see the green and red M&Ms. The only 2 colors that I see, and that's what you see on the bag. I like how they graphically put the little M showing in the cookie dough there. That's done in Photoshop. Come on. I don't see any M's anywhere nicely placed. And then you've got the chunks of chocolate in there. It smells great, and I'm looking forward to giving them a taste. So if you're uncomfortable with chewing sounds, here, let me zoom into the red one. How's that? If you're uncomfortable with chewing sounds, look away. Here we go. I'm going to give them a try. I might microwave these. Very sweet. You get a really good cookie dough flavor with the chocolate M&Ms. I do like them. Now, can I say I'm eating an M&M when I eat these? No. There's no way I could say that. I could say I'm eating chocolate and cookie dough. I think I need to eat one out of this tray. Maybe I should cut one of these. Hold on, let me grab my knife. All right. I've been dissecting candy for a very long time. I'm not going to say I was the first person to cut a piece of candy, but I'm one of the first, almost 12 years ago, to really just dissect, analyze, and look what we have on the inside of candy. So we kind of know. I do it so that if it's a candy bar and it's got chocolate coating, how thick is the chocolate coating? How thick is the nougat? If it says peanuts, are they really in there? Can we see them? So basically, it's just a solid lump of cookie dough. Now, if I was to press it, and I'll just show you how soft it is, see? Now, I don't think you could bake these. Would they turn into little cookies? That'd be interesting to find out. I may just do that. I may just grab my toaster oven, and toast them up and see. They're very good like this, though. I would say on this level, I like them. They're sweet. There's a little softness to them when you bite them. And eventually you get, see, you got a nice little M&M right there. Can you bake M&M cookie doughs bites? Let's see. Okay, I'm really curious. And then I'm thinking about those gingerbread ones I tried the other day. I want to see, can we get mini cookies out of these? I know they're not going to have the egg, and they may not have other ingredients that you would normally use when you're baking. Those other ones were covered in chocolate, though, so we're not going to have the same effect. I'm just thinking a minute. Maybe, no, longer than a minute. A few minutes. All right, so let's get these in there. This is a toaster oven I bought years ago at a garage sale. Now, you would think this is the point to turn to, but it's not. On the back side, there's a little line. So I'm going to set it to, let's say it's toast. 5 minutes. All right, let me see if I can zoom in there a little bit and see him. All right, how's that? I'll speed this up because I have it set for 5 minutes and I cannot just let the camera run for 5 minutes, but we'll see how they change. Maybe I can get these to look like mini cookies. Let's see. Okay, that was 5 minutes. Let's see, have they changed at all? Ooh, they've gotten soft. Now I can push them down. Let me grab it, push them down. Take a look at that. They do look like little cookies. They're not crispy yet. I'm going to give them just a little bit longer and we'll see how they turn out. All right, let's get these back in here. And then I will go, I'd say another 5 minutes, and we'll see. All right, it's going to be done in just a minute, and I think they actually came out pretty good. The one on the front left corner looks like a cookie. This one here looks like the most perfect mini cookie right there. So that one came out the best. It was hot when I was pressing them. Oh yeah, look at that. So now I need to let them sit a minute, nice and brown on the bottom. I do want to take them off this hot tray though. So they'll cool quicker, right? If you were baking, oh, look at that. So they're nice and crispy. We shall see if they're nice and crispy. They look nice and brown on the bottom. I think I could touch it. Ooh, they're still soft though. Okay, you stay there. I'll let them set up a little bit, and then I'll try them now baked. But they do look pretty good. All right, I'll be back. Wait, the ding went off, but it's still ticking. All right, so it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. I don't want to wait too long because I still want to try a warm cookie. Out of all of them, look, you can pinpoint the best mini cookie. I wonder if I should do this in the mini kitchen and make little mini cookie bites, cookies, using my other ovens. I don't know, that might be interesting. All right, so I want to try one. I want to save that one, but now it's firmed up just a little like these, so let's see if it's crispy at all. I'm going to say it is a little bit crispier, not as mushy. It's got a little more crunch to it because it is now brown on the bottom. I just thought that would be fun to do. I was curious if you could bake your mini bites, and now we know you can't. But who has the time to put all those on a tray? It was just for fun. Bakes into a perfect morsel. Overall, though, I'm going to say I enjoy these. So if you can find them, definitely look out for them. You know, the M&M's cookie dough, ready to eat. It does not say, does it say anywhere it does not contain eggs? Usually it says that. Contains milk, soy, and wheat. Nothing about eggs. I think the last ones I did said no eggs in their bites, but it doesn't say it on these. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Again, if you can, look in that description or check down in the comment section. Click on that link and just let the videos play. Let them play, let them play. And there's almost a full M&M sticking out of the side of that one. I'm going to eat that one. More on the way. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.